Hello Primary 5, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn how to find the area of a square in terms of its diagonal length. But before we start, we have to remember some properties of the square. In a square, the two diagonals are equal in length and they are intersect at one point and they are bisect each other and they are perpendicular. And to find the area of a square in terms of its diagonal length, we can use this rule. In this rule, we have the area of square equals half times its diagonal length times its diagonal length. So when we look at this square, we have the half of the diagonal length equals 3 centimeter, and we know that the two diagonals are bisect each other, so this part equals this part. So we have 3 centimeter and 3 centimeters. So we have 3 and 3, so the diagonal length equals 6 centimeter. And to find the area of this square, we have to say half times its diagonal length times diagonal length. So we can say that's the area of this square equals half, we have half times its diagonal length, 6 centimeters. So we have half times 6 centimeter times diagonal length, so we have times 6 centimeter. So we have half times 6 times 6 equals 18 square centimeter. 18 square centimeter. So the area of this square equals 18 square centimeter. And now let's try to solve some exercises. And number 1, we have the diagonal length of a square as 6 centimeter. Find its area. So the area of the square equals half times the length of the diagonal times itself. So we have half times 6 times 6. We have half times 6 times 6 equals 18 square centimeter. And if we look at the second question, the area of a piece of paper. The area of a piece of paper is 312.5 square centimeter. If 7 congruent squares with diagonal length of each 9 centimeter are cut off, find the area of the left part of the paper. To find the area of the left part of the paper, we have to find the area of each square. So the area of square equals half times the length of diagonal, 9 times itself, so times 9, equals 40.5 square centimeter. And we have 7 congruent squares. So we have 7 times 40.5. 7 times 40.5 equals 283.5 square centimeters. So the area of all squares equals 283.5 square centimeter. And if we need to find the area of the left part of the paper, so we have to find the difference between these two areas. We have 312.5 minus 283.5. So the area of the left part of the paper equals 29 square centimeter.